सो हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल नॉलेज का हब। सो स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे कि मैंने कहा था कि हमारा जो पब्लिक फाइनेंस के 50 क्वेश्चंस मैंने पहले डिस्कस कर दिए थे, 50 मैंने नेक्स्ट पार्ट के लिए रखे थे। तो चलिए अभी नेक्स्ट हमारे जो 50 क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको डिस्कस करते हैं। ये देखिए, हमारा हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में था। इन्होंने बोला है 10th फाइनेंस कमीशन सजेस्टेड डैश % स्टेट शेयर इन द इनकम टैक्स। ओके, नेक्स्ट 52 है द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ 13th फाइनेंस कमीशन वर फॉर द पीरियड ऑफ डैश। 53 डॉल्टन्स बुक पब्लिक फाइनेंस वॉज पब्लिश इन द ईयर ऑफ डैश। द टैक्स इज अ प्राइस ऑफ सिविलाइजेशन हैज़ बीन सेड बाय आंसर। देन क्या, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट द थ्योरी फॉर शिफ्टिंग द टैक्स। कौन सी थ्योरी फॉर शिफ्टिंग ऑफ टैक्स नहीं है? इफ द प्रोडक्शन इज बेस्ड ऑन द लॉ इंक्रीजिंग रिटर्न द प्राइस ऑफ द कमोडिटी विल। If the demand is less elastic, the major part of the tax will be paid by, बताइए। Next, if the production is being done under the law of diminishing return, the burden of tax will be taxed. Next है हमारा 59, which of the following is the basis measurement for the taxable capacity? Incidence of taxation should be. Local Finance Inquiry Committee was constituted in the year of. GST compliance rating comes under which section? बताइए। Economic planning in India was commenced in the year of. The increased public finance increases dash. The Provisions Autonomy Act was passed in the year of. Indirect taxes are. Which of the following is not a direct tax? Next है हमारा, in the case of depreciation, Professor Keynes supported dash. Public finance is meant by dash. VAT is implied on the dash. The 11th Finance Commission was constituted on. Financial system in India comes under. Which of the following is a branch of studying the public finance या public revenue? According to the Flynn, public finances, which article provide the power of the President of the India to appoint the Finance Commission of Constitution? Yes. Next है हमारा, which of the following is a union tax? The tax levied on the central government on earning the individual is called. Difference between the public expenditure and public revenue is. Which of the following is an importance of public finance? Next है हमारा, which of the following is the two main activities of public finance? As a science, public finance is in the main aim of revenue of the underdeveloped countries is dash. The best system of public finance is that which receive the maximum social advantage. This statement is given by किसने दी थी? In consumption of private goods, consumers are. Budget is prepared on. Exclusion principle comes operative regarding. The pure theory of public finance was propounded by. Next, the principle of zero-based budget was developed by. The classical concept economics was in the favor of. Public finance is concerned with the political science. According to the Dr. Dalton, while arising the social welfare dash should be taken in consideration. Next है, incidence of taxation on every source should be. Which of the following is a characteristics of budget? Budget estimating are prepared by dash. Next है, the estimate committee on budget was constructed in the year of. Which of the following is an objective of deficit financing? Next है, generally public expenditure satisfy the requirement of dash. Next 98, who said that the growth of public sector tend to occur on the step-like basis? Financial control in India is done by. कौन करता है? The public expenditure has the effect on dash. ये हमारे पब्लिक फाइनेंस का पेपर था जो हमारा बीकॉम सेकेंड ईयर में अभी 2022 में आया। ओके, इफ़ यू वांट कि आपके वीडियो लेक्चर्स हों कि क्या हमारा मतलब हम कैसे बेसिक्स से पढ़ें या कैसे हम पर चैप्टर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करें, सो प्लीज़ डू फॉलो माय चैनल फॉर मोर कंटेंट। मैं बेसिक्स से भी आपको वीडियो प्रोवाइड करूँगी। ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।